Um, we just talked about GBP and now we are going on to Euro USD. But before that, let me just summarize on our projection of what will GBP USD going to do next week. So there are 4 data points which are relevant to GBP USD. ECB Draghi speech and decisions might actually affect pound, and UK CPI definitely will affect, as well as the UK average earnings and UK retail sales. So these are the numbers that we expect for these few data points. We expect a positive number for CPI, we expect a negative number for average earnings, which cause slight retracement, and then we expect the uptrend will continue with the catalyst of retail sales being positive. So this is a projection for GBP USD. So you can see this is a projection from next week onwards, 16 onwards until the 20th, and this is what already happened until last Friday, and on Monday onwards we will be starting here just below the cloud, and we'll see some retracement and we can go for a long trade, and hopefully good retrace all the way to the cloud. We can buy at a safer price of 1.32, but if not, we can enter our first light volume at 1.322 and we hold the trade for the week all the way up to 1.35 that we expect it to end for the week. Right, so this is for GBP USD, and now we want to go for Euro USD. Let's start with the longer term trend daily charts on the linear regression lines. You can see that price has fallen below the cloud, and when that happens, we will not want to long, but this is just a regression line. I think the actual price is still above the cloud. Let's have a look at the actual price. Yeah, definitely still above the cloud. Right, it's still staying within the cloud, so it has shown the regression turning green, so we are quite safe to long from here. We expect it to go above the cloud to the upside, and the oscillators are showing a rebound with stochastic string very clear signs of reversal, and also CCI showing signs of reversal. Zooming into H4 charts of Euro USD, you can see that price is already curving down and is finding support at 1.177 around that area. So if you go for Fibonacci lines, you'll be able to see that the support is around 1.77. It's about 50% of Fibonacci, as well as just above the cloud, as well as just above the double Bollinger Bands Standard Deviation 3 and 4. So this is a good technical support line, as well as above the 3 lines linear regression lines. So this is good technical rebound points for Euro USD. So we'll look to long at around 1.1770 and average down all the way to 1.174. Let's look at the Excel spreadsheets to double confirm that with macro factors going in, current price 1.182, we have about 37 risks. It's not worth taking the risk now to long, so we need to wait for it for such slight retracement. We retrace 1.18, about 22%, 1.178, 18. So this is around the price level that we actually wanted to enter, or 1.178 or 1.177 around this area. So that will be the price we want to enter, and we will average down to 1.172 to less than 10% return, and our stop loss point can easily be 1.170, which is more than negative 20% risk. So it's relative safe point of entry and stop loss. We are not going to limit our profit, so we don't have a profit point. So the suggested entry level is 1.178. Suggested entry level. So including macro factors. So that will be for next week's Euro USD. We plan to long. We plan to long at around 1.178 area and average down to 1.172, which is next than 0% risk. So that will be our game plan for Euro USD, and then we will move on to other pairs. Cheers.